Hey guys, as you're aware, critical workers are allowed to take driving lessons and driving tests. I'm looking at the government website and they haven't really updated it here. So if you guys do see it updated, let me know. But on their Twitter site, they've got a few more information on it, which I feel is quite relevant in terms of our driving and our theory test as well. So they're giving us a few information. So let's see what they're saying. So again, this is on DVSA's Twitter. So here they're just giving you who you can contact, DVSA underscore help me for help. So you can contact them if you want further information. DVSA's, let's see, government's guidance is very clear. People should stay at home to save lives and protect the NHS unless their trip is essential. A journey solely for driver learning purposes is not considered essential. Let me see when this is. Oh, this January 11th. No, we don't want that. There was a theory update. Here we go. Theory tests will remain suspended in areas in temporary lockdown and level 4 until at least the end of February. So this is quite important here. Driving lessons can go ahead in level 3 areas as long as neither instructor nor people live in an area in lockdown or protection level 4. Okay, let me just see when there's a date on this. This is February the 4th, which is today at 3:45. So in terms of a date given, it's saying at the end of February, hopefully at least, theory tests might open up. Driving lessons now, obviously certain areas might have now gone down a level in terms of lockdown and in terms of level 4, 3, 2, etc. So again, going back to the usual rule of if you're in level 3 or 2, let me just double check. Driving lessons can go ahead in level 3 areas. Okay, let me see. The Scottish government has announced an extension to the temporary lockdown in Scotland. Oh, okay. So there's an extension to the temporary lockdown. All vehicle practical tests will remain suspended in areas in temporary lockdown until the end of February. Let me just see. Again, the date is February the 4th. Okay. Theory tests will remain suspended in areas in temporary lockdown and level 4 until at least the end of February. Again, same thing they're saying. We will update you as soon as the government makes further announcements. So nothing really on critical workers here. Let me see, February the 2nd. We've already talked about critical workers in our previous videos. So nothing new, which is what I mean. So in terms of theory, it looks like we might be given a date at the end of February. Hopefully, theory tests might open up. Scotland, again, similar date. You're not going to be taking any driving lessons, it's saying. And in terms of critical workers, so as I said, on this site here, the government site, they haven't really updated it, but on the Twitter site, it did say that you're allowed, if you're a critical worker, to take driving lessons and driving tests. Let me just find it for you, just to show you. Here we go. We are introducing a limited theory test and practical test services for NHS health and social workers, the emergency services and local councils. This will only be for those who need to drive as part of their as part of their job and respond to threats to life. So as I said, we've already covered this, but nothing really new has been given on this this tweet here. So I was hoping for a bit more explanation and in-depth analysis about that tweet, but nothing's news has been given. Don't forget, guys, you can always like, share, and subscribe with FM Drive School. Do check us out. We're on Instagram, Twitter. We're also on TikTok. So check us out, Facebook, YouTube, which I'm sure you're watching right now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.